Hello students, how are you? Hope you are fine. Today we are going to do an activity on simple machines. So what is simple machines? Simple machine is a mechanical device that modifies our force or effort that we are providing to do any work. It makes our work easier and it has some mechanical advantage which increases our work efficiency by reducing our effort or the force that we are applying. So there are 6 kinds of simple machines: inclined plane, lever, pulley, wedge, screw, wheel and axle. These are all simple machines. So today we are going to discuss about inclined plane. So what is inclined plane? Inclined plane, it has a slopy surface and that has a mechanical advantage, and that is used to lift an heavy object to a certain height. So first we will do the activity and see, and we will have fun. Okay, so let's start. Now to do this activity, what we need? We need one object. You can see this object is a heavier object, and one thread. You can see this thread. Now I will tie this thread, this object. Now I have tied this object. Now I will raise this object to a certain height. You can see. So I am applying some force to lift this object up. So what is that force? How much force I am applying to lift this object to certain height? So first of all, we have to make some height here. For that, what you will do at your home, take some books and make a stack of books here, and then you make a height like this. Okay, so I am using that only. Okay, I am keeping some books here. You can see. So I have increased the height. You can see. Okay, now I will lift this object. Okay, and I will keep it here. So how much force I am applying to lift this object here? How I will find it out? For that I need one spring balance. You can see there is a spring balance. The readings you can see here, 0, then 50, then 100. These are all gram force. So that much of a force I am applying to lift this object. Okay, that is the actual weight of this object. Now I am lifting this object here. This is the pointer, you can see. This is almost 200 gram force. So I am applying almost 200 gram force to this object to lift this object to this height. So 200 gram force I am applying. Okay, that is the weight of this object. 200 gram force is the weight of this object. So that much of force I have applied, that much of effort I have given to this object to raise the object from this position to this position. Okay, so now I want to reduce my effort to do the same work. So for that, what we have to do? For that I need a plane surface. You can see this plane board. I am taking this plane board. Okay, I am keeping this inclined. This is above, this is top. From here I am keeping one end of this board, and at the bottom I am keeping another end of my board. Now you can see. Now what I will do? I will keep this object here at the bottom, and I will drag this object like this. When you will do it, you will definitely feel that we are giving some less effort to drag this object or to lift this object from this position to this position. Definitely I am applying little less effort. I will prove it with the help of this spring balance. I will do it. I will put this spring balance here. Okay, bottom, and now see how much effort I am giving. See, it is 100 gram force. So earlier I used to give how much gram force? This is 200 gram force. Okay, more than 200 gram force. And here how much I am giving? You see, how much I'm giving? Only 100 gram force. You can see only 100 gram force I'm applying. Okay, so that means we are giving less effort here to do the same work, that raising this object from this height to this height. If I increase this height like this, for that I need to put some more books to increase the height. You can increase the height little more. Okay, now see how much force I am applying. Now see how much effort I am giving. Now see, it is more than 100. Yes, you can see once again, it's more than 100. Yes, so in this way we can reduce effort. Okay, but if it is more than 100 also, but it is less than 200 earlier, when I am lifting it like this, it's 200. When I am dragging it like this, it's 100 or more than 100. Okay, so here you can see, with the help of this inclined plane, okay, I am reducing my effort to do the same work. My work efficiency increases by reducing my effort. So this is a simple machine. This is a simple machine that reducing human effort. Whatever the effort I am giving, that is reduced, and the mechanical work is done more. Okay, so I have an advantage, mechanical advantage of doing any work. So you can try it at your home by increasing the height, or by decreasing the height. You just find it out which situation you are feeling very easier to lift this object, in which situation it is very difficult to lift this object. Okay, so these are the things you can try it at your home. And what are the materials required? These are very simple materials that easily available at your home. Okay, so do these activities at your home and have fun. Thank you, all of you.